This video covers Blip versus Quick Share. Choosing the right file sharing app can dramatically improve how you transfer files without delays or complexity. We'll look at both Blip and Quick Share to see which fits your needs best. Blip and Quick Share are popular apps for sharing files across devices. The main difference lies in their approach. Blip focuses on seamless cross-platform transfers with cloud integration, while Quick Share emphasizes fast, direct device-to-device sharing within local networks. Blip is a cloud-based file sharing platform designed to streamline transferring files between multiple devices and users. It works by uploading a file securely to the cloud, then generating a shareable link accessible across different operating systems. This method allows users to send large files without worrying about device compatibility or network constraints. Blip's strengths include its ease of use, support for various file types, and the ability to access files anytime from anywhere. It also offers collaboration features, making it ideal for teams working remotely or sharing multimedia content. However, relying on cloud storage means you need a stable internet connection, and transfer speeds depend on your bandwidth. Users with intermittent connectivity or those needing instant local transfers might find this limiting. Blip is best suited for users who prioritize accessibility, cross-platform flexibility, and cloud backup for their file sharing needs. Quick Share is a device-to-device file transfer app that uses local Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to send files directly without uploading to the cloud. It enables near-instant sharing between compatible devices, typically within the same network or physical proximity. This approach offers high transfer speeds and enhanced privacy since files do not leave your local environment. Quick Share's strengths lie in its simplicity, speed, and offline capabilities, making it perfect for quick exchanges of photos, videos, or documents between smartphones, tablets, or PCs. However, its main limitation is compatibility. Both sender and receiver must support Quick Share, and transfers are generally limited to devices on the same local network. It's less effective for sharing files with remote collaborators or across different platforms. Quick Share is ideal for users who need fast, private file transfers between nearby devices without relying on internet connectivity. When comparing Blip and Quick Share, the choice depends on your file sharing context. Blip excels when you need to share files across different devices and locations with cloud access, offering flexibility and collaboration but requiring internet connectivity. Quick Share shines in fast, local transfers with minimal setup and no data usage, perfect for sharing files between devices in the same room or network. If you often work remotely or with diverse teams, Blip's cloud integration is advantageous. Conversely, if you frequently exchange files offline or prioritize speed and privacy, Quick Share is more practical. Both have trade-offs. Blip's reliance on the cloud versus Quick Share's device proximity requirement. Assess your typical sharing scenarios to decide which app suits your workflow best. Choose Blip if you need reliable cloud-based sharing with cross-platform support and remote access for teams or individuals working across locations. Quick Share is the better choice for fast, secure transfers between nearby devices without internet dependency. For quick, private file exchanges in local settings, Quick Share delivers unmatched convenience and speed. Pick the app that aligns with how and where you share files most